a lot of what digital transformation today is focusing on is really contextualizing that data and bringing that data into the hands of data scientists for analysis. And that's useful and that's great. But there's also an element of bringing that data back to the people who are actually running the operation, bringing that back to the maintenance teams, bringing that back to the operators in the facility in a way that's easy to access and easy to understand. And for most of us human beings, we interact with the world in 3D. So having a real representation of the asset that looks and feels like the asset, that's easy to navigate, that gives a ton of power to this data that would otherwise be really hard to understand, really hard to access for people who are actually operating the facility. And that's where we see the power of this partnership. So you think about the business goals around something like that. Our customers are talking to us, as Brittany said, around operational efficiency, around really making sure that the workforce is as effective as possible, has the tools that they need, making sure that all of this tribal knowledge is baked into the tools that we're giving them.